Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make donuts from home, from scratch. This is an easy recipe, very easy, and you will get a tasty and fluffy donut. Let's get straight into the video. This is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. In a bowl I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, which is equal to 500 grams. Then half teaspoon of salt, add into the flour and give it a mix. Here is 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, which I added some warm water and little sugar to proof. This is 6 tablespoons of sugar, 1 medium-sized egg. Give it a mix. This is half cup of warm milk. The milk must be warm. Give it a good mix. Then add the unsalted butter. This is 50 grams of unsalted butter. Then give it a good mix. After mixing, I will then transfer it to my workspace to knead. I'll sprinkle some flour on the workspace and transfer the dough there because we are going to knead it. At this point, you will do a little work, kneading. You're going to knead this for 15 minutes. This way. You keep kneading until you get a very smooth dough, smooth and stretchy dough. If you noticed, I removed my gloves because the dough was sticking to my gloves and it was making it uncomfortable for me to knead. So I had to take it off. With my bare hands, I can knead and feel the dough to get the right texture needed for this donut recipe. I'm done kneading now. Cut into smaller sizes and weigh them. I'll weigh each size 70 grams. Each size weighs 70 grams. You can see it's 70. So I'll go ahead and weigh all of them and set them aside. Then start folding and molding my donuts. This is time to mold to the size you desire. Then get a parchment paper or baking paper, mold each dough, each smaller dough, and place on a parchment paper. Your baking paper must be cut into smaller sizes, each small size for 1 donut, each one for 1 donut. After molding the doughs, keep in a warm place, get a towel and cover it up. Keep in a warm place to double in size before frying. Now our dough is ready to fry. You can see it is double in size now. Make sure your vegetable oil is hot before frying and fry your donuts on a medium heat. While frying, you remove the parchment papers. Then flip at intervals and make sure it's cooked and golden brown before you scoop out. As you fry, you give enough spacing. Don't overcrowd the oil. Give spacing while you're frying your donuts. Doing this, you get a smooth and nicely fried donut. Just the way I'm doing now. This donut is very fluffy and delicious. I hope you will try this recipe because this is the easiest way to get your donuts done at home without a mixer. One of my subscribers actually requested that I make a video on donuts, and that's a promise I made and I am fulfilling it now. I hope you will try this recipe. Let me know in the comment section. Have you subscribed to my channel? What are you waiting for? If you love my recipes, please hit the subscribe button, like and share my videos. Thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you to everyone who finds time to watch my videos. I love you all. Always stay tuned to this channel for more amazing food recipes coming your way. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.